If you mistakenly place them on the car's central console or at the edge of the seat, they can easily slide through the gap and drop on the floor. Then, you have to deal with the hassle of finding them underneath the seats, which can be time-consuming. So, to help you enjoy the ride and prevent your belongings from slipping through your car's spaces, many products are available for car seat gap fillers, each with different characteristic benefits and prices to help you make an informed decision. After deep research, I read many reviews and completed a list of the best car seat gap filler from reputable brands. I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Drop Stop Car Seat Gap Filler, Best Overall. Featuring a soft, squishy structure, the Drop Stop Car Seat Gap Filler works wonders with almost all cars with a central console configuration. It is long enough to fit in the gap perfectly, leaving no space behind for your belongings to slip through. Its inner soft foam filling and the external neoprene cover conform to the car gap size, regardless of the model. On top of this, you get 2 pieces per pack, ensuring both driver and passenger sides are covered. This car seat gap filler comes in black, ensuring seamless blending with any car's interior design. Its anti-slip surface keeps all belongings in place and prevents them from slipping at the front or behind. It even moves with the seat, offering maximum convenience. Thanks to its soft structure, excellent durability, and self-adjustable construction, this car seat gap filler is certainly the best product on our list. Solid car seat gap fillers feature an adjustable construction. You can easily stretch them and push them down to fit the space. If the distance between the car seat and the central console is less, it compresses. For larger gap sizes, it expands accordingly. Pros: universal hole for the seatbelt catch. Fits perfectly between the console and the seat. Highly durable and long-lasting. Cons: the price is higher than others. Number 2. Lusso Gear Car Seat Gap Filler, Most Versatile. This car seat gap filler serves the purpose of being an excellent organizer, helping you store everything properly and within your hand's reach, especially items like car keys, gum, coins, or remotes. It easily fits the space between the car seat and the central console, sealing the gap completely and preventing items from slipping through. The 4 wedge-shaped spacers keep the walls straight and prevent them from collapsing. Plus, they also help you divide and adjust its compartment into multiple sections for better organization. This way, you won't have to rummage through your belongings to find the item you require. And, because it's made from high-quality PU leather with a waterproof surface, it lasts long and boasts exceptional durability. Solid car seat gap fillers feature an adjustable construction. You can easily stretch them and push them down to fit the space. If the distance between the car seat and the central console is less, it compresses. For larger gap sizes, it expands accordingly. Choosing an adjustable product will help seal the gap quickly and prevent belongings from slipping through. Pros: adjustable design. Durable and long-lasting. Also serves as an organizer. Cons: not universal. Number 3. Power Tiger Car Seat Gap Filler, Excellent Quality. Serving as a drop stopper and organizer, this car seat gap filler has outshined its contenders in quality. Its caddy-styled compartment extends below as a thin divider screen to easily slip between your car's seat and center console. Its quality is unmatched, featuring a rigid ABS plastic body and premium PU leather lining with stainless steel rivets. On top of this, a soft foam pad covers its base to ensure the seat's upholstery isn't damaged while inserting. This car seat gap filler has enough space to store small or commonly used belongings in its inner compartment. You can easily reach out to the caddy and retrieve the item from inside without rummaging through everything. It also comes with an anti-slip pad to be fitted over the base of its inner caddy, preventing the inside objects from vibrating and causing clicking sounds. Solid car seat gap fillers feature an adjustable construction. You can easily stretch them and push them down to fit the space. If the distance between the car seat and the central console is less, it compresses. For larger gap sizes, it expands accordingly. Choosing an adjustable product will help seal the gap quickly and prevent belongings from slipping through. Pros: available in 4 colors. Slips easily into the gap. Keeps your belongings in place. Cons: incompatible with lower central consoles. Number 4. EcoNer Car Seat Gap Filler, Most Affordable. This budget-friendly car seat gap filler has plenty of space to fit most belongings, from car keys, house keys, pens, and more. Because you get 2 wedge-shaped spacers, you can insert them at appropriate places inside its caddy and divide the compartment into 3 sections. To adjust their sizes, move the spacers along the horizontal line accordingly. They also act as additional fillers if a gap exists between the caddy and your car's seat or central console. Made from premium PU leather, this car seat gap filler is long-lasting and combats wear and tear with no visible damage. It is reinforced with solid stitches to extend its lifespan further. On top of this, you will get 2 fillers to seal the gap on both the passenger and driver sides of the central console. Solid car seat gap fillers feature an adjustable construction. You can easily stretch them and push them down to fit the space. If the distance between the car seat and the central console is less, it compresses. For larger gap sizes, it expands accordingly. Choosing an adjustable product will help seal the gap quickly and prevent belongings from slipping through. Pros: includes 2 car seat gap fillers, long lifespan and excellent durability, affordable price for the quality. Cons: need to be more profound. Number 5. Lebogner car seat gap filler, sleek design. With a narrow, curved design, this car seat gap filler seals the space between the seat and the central console, preventing your items from slipping through. It comes with a hook and loop, so fixating the caddy with your car seat is also quite simple and easy. Plus, it won't move from its place due to car jerking or sudden brakes. Meanwhile, its inner compartment is spacious enough to accommodate most of your belongings, from pens, books, wallets, and more. This car seat gap filler also features excellent craftsmanship thanks to a durable and premium PU leather construction. Its durability is unmatched, unlike other contenders, ensuring a comfortable and stress-free drive for a long time. On top of this, you get 2 pieces per pack for the driver and passenger sides. Solid car seat gap fillers feature an adjustable construction. You can easily stretch them and push them down to fit the space. If the distance between the car seat and the central console is less, it compresses. For larger gap sizes, it expands accordingly. Pros: spacious interior for storage. Accommodates most mobile and tablet models. It is made from premium PU leather. Cons: it doesn't come with spacers. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information. If you want to know the product price, do check out my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below and stay updated with our cool product, as it will make your life much more easier.